Hello and welcome back to the course on deep learning. In today's tutorial, we're going to see where you can get all of the materials and datasets for this course. So in order to get the datasets, you need to go to www.superdatascience.com/deep-learning. And then if you scroll down here, you will see that everything is prepared here for you. So first of all, you need to download the Deep Learning A to Z course folder template. So it's an empty set of folders, but they're in the correct hierarchical structure, which will allow you to better be prepared for the tutorials in the course. And then when you get to a certain part of the course, you just need to download the data set for that part. For instance, in part 1, artificial neural networks, you just download this data set, you unzip the file into your folder, which you've downloaded, and there you will have all of the items and all of the data that you will require to go through the tutorials in that part. And then you do the same thing for the next part and so on. And moreover, here you'll find all of the additional reading, which we mentioned in the intuition tutorials. So the data set is for the practical tutorials. The additional reading is all the papers and all the blog posts that we mentioned through the intuition tutorials. And it's just easier for you to click through them here rather than having to Google for them or type up their URLs. So there we go. That's where you get the data sets and all the supporting materials for this course. We can't wait to see you throughout these tutorials. It's going to be lots of fun and exciting. And until next time, enjoy deep learning.